Curly hairs looks so cool. Especially for who have big forehead. But not everyone have curly hairs naturally. Some people have curly hairs since they born. It depends on our genetics sometimes. But it is not goal of video, and you can achieve curly hairs naturally if your hair type is different. But here are a few tricks to achieve it. So by these tricks you cannot take long-lasting results, but you can enjoy curls for few time. Last point is more long-lasting and effective, so stay tuned till end. For better understanding, we made 3 parts on age of results. It is a hack for getting curls. It is so viral on social media that you need water and add a little salt in it, shake well and spray on your head slowly and scrunch your hairs by your fingers and try to give them a curl shape and let them dry. We don't have record of time period that how long it would last, but you can give it a try. Next trick can last results around 2 or 3 days. Let's see how to do it. Wash your hairs and let them dry naturally. When they are slightly wet, not fully wet, then grab few hairs in your finger and curl them like shown in this video and apply a rubber band on them. Do it with your whole head if you want curly hairs. Then you can put hair styling spray if you want and then go for sleep, let it work overnight. You can wear a cap also if you are just chilling at your home. Then at next morning remove the rubber bands from your head gently and scrunch them little bit with your fingers. And you are ready to go. So these are some hacks, but next process can last you long time results. Perm is a saloon process that can turn any type of your hairs into curly hairs. Yes, it is safe, but this process contains some chemicals. So it can hurt your hairs if you do it frequently. But you can get it done by professionals. It can last you around 3 months. Do not let water touch your hairs right after perm process, it can ruin it, so make sure to ask your barber for care rules. I suggest you should absolutely give it a try, you're gonna love it. If you're interested in it, so you can check some dedicated videos on perm process by professionals for deep knowledge. So that's for this video. I hope it will help you a lot to find your style.